Have you ever experienced that unnerving moment when your engine stutters, hesitates, or briefly loses power, only to return to normal just as quickly? These phantom misfires or intermittent engine stumbles are among the most frustrating issues a mechanic or DIY enthusiast can face. They don't always leave clear fault codes, making them notoriously difficult to diagnose. But fear not, because today, we're diving deep into advanced diagnostic strategies to pinpoint these elusive problems and get your vehicle running smoothly again. Intermittent engine stumbles are precisely what they sound like: momentary lapses in engine performance that come and go. Unlike a hard misfire that sets a permanent check engine light, these stumbles often leave no trace, or perhaps only a pending code that never fully matures. They can be triggered by specific driving conditions, engine temperature, or even just a bump in the road. The challenge lies in catching the fault in the act and understanding its root cause, which can range from minor electrical glitches to failing components. The symptoms of an intermittent stumble can vary, but they generally include a brief loss of power, a shudder or vibration through the vehicle, an engine that feels like it's momentarily cutting out, or a noticeable hesitation during acceleration. Sometimes, the check engine light might flash briefly during the event, indicating a temporary misfire, but then extinguish itself. You might also notice a rough idle that comes and goes, or a sudden dip in RPMs at a stoplight. These subtle cues are your first clues in solving the mystery. Before diving into complex diagnostics, always start with the basics. Check your battery terminals for corrosion or looseness, as poor electrical contact can cause erratic behavior. Ensure your fuel tank isn't critically low, as this can sometimes lead to fuel starvation issues on turns or inclines. Visually inspect for obvious vacuum leaks. Listen for hissing sounds around the intake manifold or vacuum lines. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are overlooked in the pursuit of a complex one. Your OBD2 system is the first line of defense. While intermittent stumbles might not always throw a hard code, always connect to scanner. Look for any pending codes, which indicate a fault that hasn't yet met the criteria to illuminate the check engine light. Critically, pay attention to freeze frame data. This snapshot of engine conditions captured when a fault occurs, even if just briefly, can provide invaluable context for your diagnosis. It tells you exactly what was happening the moment the engine stumbled. Beyond simple code reading, live data analysis is where the real diagnostic power lies for intermittent issues. Connect your scanner and monitor key parameters in real time while driving the vehicle, trying to replicate the stumble. Look for sudden, uncommanded drops in RPM, erratic oxygen sensor readings, sudden spikes in fuel trim values, or inconsistent MAF sensor readings right before or during an event. Graphing these parameters can make subtle fluctuations much more apparent, revealing patterns that static numbers might miss. The fuel system is a prime suspect. Intermittent stumbles can be caused by a fuel pump that's struggling under load, a partially clogged fuel filter, or even a sticking fuel injector. Using a fuel pressure gauge, monitor pressure while driving, especially when the stumble occurs. A sudden drop in pressure during acceleration or high load points to a pump or filter issue. On a scan tool, look for inconsistent short-term fuel trims across different cylinders, which could indicate a faulty injector or even a pressure regulator problem. Next, turn your attention to the ignition system. A failing spark plug, a cracked coil pack, or a degraded spark plug wire can all cause intermittent misfires. These issues are often exacerbated by heat or increased engine load. While visually inspecting plugs and wires, also consider performing a power balance test if your scanner allows. This test can help isolate a cylinder that might be intermittently dropping out. Sometimes, a weak coil might only fail under specific high-voltage demands, making it tricky to catch. Unmetered air entering the engine is another common cause of erratic performance. A small, intermittent vacuum leak, perhaps from a cracked hose that only opens up when the engine flexes or heats up, can throw off air-fuel ratios. Using a smoke machine is highly effective here. It introduces smoke into the intake system, making even tiny leaks visible. Also, ensure your mass airflow sensor is clean and functioning correctly, as a dirty or intermittently failing MAF can send incorrect air readings to the engine control unit. Sensors are the eyes and ears of your engine, and their intermittent failure can be incredibly deceptive. A crankshaft position sensor, for instance, might intermittently lose its signal, causing brief engine cutouts. Similarly, a camshaft position sensor could send erratic signals. Oxygen sensors, when intermittently failing, can cause the engine to switch between rich and lean conditions. Even a throttle position sensor can cause stumbles if its signal drops out momentarily. Again, live data graphing can expose these erratic sensor signals. The electrical system is often the most overlooked and frustrating culprit. Intermittent stumbles are frequently traced back to poor connections, corroded terminals, or damaged wiring harnesses. A loose ground wire, a partially frayed wire in a critical sensor circuit, or even a corroded connector pin can cause momentary signal loss or resistance fluctuations. Wiggle tests, where you gently manipulate wiring harnesses while monitoring live data, can sometimes reveal these hidden electrical gremlins. Don't forget to check for proper voltage drop across suspected circuits. For truly stubborn cases, advanced tools like an oscilloscope become indispensable. An oscilloscope allows you to visualize electrical signals as waveforms, providing a level of detail that a scan tool simply cannot. You can use it to directly observe ignition patterns, ensuring consistent spark. You can also monitor sensor outputs, checking for clean, stable signals without unexpected drops or spikes. An oscilloscope can reveal things like signal noise, voltage drops under load, or even intermittent opens or shorts that are too fast for a conventional meter or scanner to register. Diagnosing intermittent engine stumbles requires patience, a systematic approach, and the right tools. Avoid the temptation to just throw parts at the problem. Instead, gather all the data you can, logically eliminate possibilities, and focus on replicating the conditions under which the stumble occurs. Remember that heat, vibration, and engine load are common triggers for these elusive faults, so try to recreate those scenarios during your diagnostic process. A methodical approach, combined with keen observation, will eventually lead you to the solution. So, the next time your engine decides to play hide-and-seek with a misfire, remember these advanced diagnostic techniques. From meticulous live data analysis to targeted fuel and ignition system checks, and even the power of an oscilloscope, you have the arsenal to uncover even the most phantom of stumbles. Don't let your vehicle's performance be dictated by intermittent glitches. Empower yourself with knowledge and precise diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive insights, and share your own diagnostic challenges in the comments below. Drive safe.